the body being present. When the body and the soul are present, your body is then able to perceive, and you are able to perceive a state of connection. But when the body is not present, it is not able to perceive connection to nature, to the wind, to love, to beauty, to health, to vitality, to flow, to right timing, to support, to resources, everything. And the body will do lots of things trying to move into a state of connection. It will go to fear, pain, pathology, loss, inability to support self, all in an attempt to cultivate a deeper level of connection with the fabric of oneness. And so we're going to bring in an energetic protocol that helps you, soul rider, in your body be present, and actually using the Dantean Mingmen Wu Chi energy, which is 3 figure eights that circulate at the second chakra level. And there's 3 figure eights that lie on their side, and they move in that figure eight energy. And it's part of the life force, but it can also help us move into the present moment. We invite you to take a deep breath in. Pull your energy and awareness into this present breath of now. To relax your body. To use the inhale again to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. And we invite the higher self of you, soul rider, your body, your teams, your body divas teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides to reference the Dantean Mingmen Wu Chi figure eight energy at the second chakra. 3 figure eights lying on their side, circulating the life force, the flow. And you might even visualize, imagine this figure eight circulating, moving slowly. And as some energetic aspect of you references the Dantean, the Mingmen, the Wu Chi, we invite your higher self, body, divas, higher self, teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to bring in the sacred geometric shape, sound, and light that holds mastery of the present moment. And to bring that vibration, that sound, that light, and it's your own unique present moment, sound, light, shape. You as a soul hold a very particular vibration, and you have your very own unique sound, color, light, tone that is your mastery of the present moment. And to activate that in the middle of the figure eight of the Dantean, the Mingmen, the Wu Chi, where there is that intersect point. And just take a moment to invite some energetic aspect of you, some energetic aspect of your body to reference your own unique sound, color, light, tonal frequency that holds mastery of you being in the present moment, which gives you an incredible power. Perceptions of connection. Ainahe, good. There you go. It's a figure eight that's lying on its side, so it's horizontal. Horizontally lying. There's a figure eight horizontally lying in the front of the body, right below the belly button. In the middle is the Wu Chi, and then the Mingmen is in the back. So Dantian is in the front. Middle is Wu Chi. Dantian, Mingmen is in the back. Dantian, Wu Chi, Mingmen, figure eight, horizontal. And bringing in that sacred sound, light of mastery of present moment. For you, soul rider, your body, there you go, and your teams, there's the energetic shift. And breathe. And let yourself be rooted, grounded, centered in the present moment in that second chakra zone. And then that begins to emanate mastery, the vibration of mastery of the present moment, into your Merkabic disc, into your etheric fields, into your timing components, bringing you into right timing. Sometimes we think good luck. Well, what is good luck? Right place, right time. Well, how do you get into the right place at the right time and increase your luck quotient? Present moment. Always in right timing. And breathe, letting that ripple. Whenever we bring conscious awareness to a vibrational shift, it amplifies in our dimensional selves. And so just take a moment to again bring your awareness to that second chakra, to those 3 figure 8s that are lying horizontally, to imagine that center point within each figure 8, those 3 figure 8s, 3 center points, all emanating the vibration, the sounds, the sacred geometric shape of mastery of present moment for you, Soul Rider, for your body and your teams. Really for you, Soul Rider, and your body, inviting your teams to do it to the degree that they choose as they encircle you, activating their own sounds, mastery, sacred geometric shapes of the present moment in their fields, in the appropriate energy centers for them. And then balance and stabilize again, expand the magnetics, the roots, and take a breath and see if that breath feels a little different than 5 or 10 minutes ago or an hour ago. Are you more present in yourself, more empowered, more connected, perceiving the light that flows within you? As you perceive the light that flows within you, you are able to fall in love with your lovely inner world. You move into a softness inside yourself, a flow. Breathe, owning that space. This is your space. If any discordant energy is in that space, invite some energetic aspect of you to clear any cords, any discordant frequencies. You, Soul Rider, and your body owning that Dantean Mingmen Wu Chi, owning your own present moment, rooting in to your own fields, sitting in the seat of the soul. Body Deva, sitting in your seat of your nature spirit self. Taking a deep breath in, letting this integrate, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive.